I hate it when people act differently according to who is around. An example, an acquaintance of mine, IRL, completely changes her behavior whenever her crush is around. What I mean by completely is that she starts ignoring me and treating me like a child. And I really hate that. Anyways, that's it for today. Also, I'll do a layout tutorial at 100 subs. Goodbye, my flowers.